Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible, at the top right corner of it, select this gear between clipboard and three dots. Then select voice typing and click on this gray sweater next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard. Then click on no visible microphone icon. And if you never used it before, select while using the app. Finally, start talking. When you are finished, tap on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!